YouTube, what's going on? Soul Review Kicks back with another unboxing. All right, yes, you see it on the table. Packaging is everything, you guys. You're in for a treat today. You are in for a treat. These are a very special shoe. I don't know if anybody was paying attention to the sneakers app. They released. They were quick, gone, goodbye. I was able to cop. Thank God. Let's check these bad boys out. You guys ready? Not yet. Let's take a look at the box. As you see, there's a red Jordan on the box. Clouds. Beautiful, beautiful packaging. That is different. Let's see what we have today. We have the Air Jordan 3 Retro OG Special Project White Black Sport Royal size 8. And yes, you do see this is alright. There's no elephant print on the side. This is straight from Nike. Alright. Let's take a look at the box real quick. The box does have a peak hole ring, whatever. It does have the elephant print, which is textured. You can actually hear that. It goes all the way around except for this side right here, this little portion right here. Smooth, flat. Other than that, it is a gray elephant print all through. Okay, all through. Except this strip right here. It goes all the way down. It's about right there. Alright. This is going to be a treat. You guys ready? And we have today the Air Jordan 3 OG 2.0. Say it with me. The Seoul, South Korea, tribute to the Olympics. Look at that packaging. That is, I don't even want to touch it. Honestly, I don't even want to touch it. That is amazing. This is, wow. All right, let's take a look at the lid. Box lid is reading 330 by 235 by 120. I'm not seeing any date stamps, date codes, anything else. All right. I do see the packaging though. Beautiful packaging, guys. Come on. 10 out of 10, right? Give it a 9 at least. Like I said, this is a tribute to the Olympics. You guys can Google, read up on it. There's a great backstory, great presentation. This is beautiful. Let's take a look at the shoe. I hate to ruin it, but for you guys, let's do it. I'm just gonna pull this out. Just see, little bow. Put it down right here. Look at that packaging. Wow. Here we go. And yes, it is wrapped. It's wrapped very meticulous. Wow. Look at this. Alright. I guess once you unwrap it once, you don't unwrap it again, or you don't, this is it. You're like, wow. Holy moly. That is. Woo. There we have it. All right, let's just put that down. Let's put that away. All right, let's take a look at the box and see the paper. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. YCM sticker. Not seeing anything else. No date code stamps. Nothing. I do see the tray. It looks like the number is 330 by 235 by 120. All right. See that? Beautiful shoe. That is a beautiful logo, beautiful flag. Wow. So the original came out boku, lots of money. It was worth lots of money. Only released, I believe, out there, Asia release or something like that. Not too many people were able to get their hands on them, but it did drive the price up. All right. Take a look at some of the details here. Oh, that's different. See how the elephant, oh wow, the elephant print is a little bit textured, a little different. It's kind of real hairy, real, I don't know what to say, but it's real textured. Wow. You guys see that? It's fluffy. Aged. I don't know what to say. This shoe really looks aged. Beautiful. See the peak right there? That brown, that touch on the leather, the brown inside, it just contrasts real nice with the white, with that cream white, oatmealish kind of color. I don't know what to say. It's not just white. It's like an aged white. Like you can tell that this white and this white is too different, you know. And that blue hit on the back of those inlets, ugh. That South Korean flag, that is, wow. All right. Also, I don't know if you guys can, my camera can pick it up, but if you see, there's a blue air bubble on one shoe. The other shoe, I believe, is going to be red. Beautiful shoe. Tag. Nostalgic. Classic feel to it. Classic look. All right, let's get inside the shoe. All right, as always, we're going to check the shoe tree. All right. Yes, sir. Somebody comment below. Tell me what that means. Please. Beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Nice soft Nike Air branding, size sticker above Dream So. Okay. Look at the inside. Stitching. Don't worry, I'm very gentle with these shoes. I know it may look like I'm abusing them, but trust me, I'm very particular. They'll be all right. As you see on the inside, it's a two-tone red, blue, red, white. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's take a look at the inside. So, white footbed. Wow, my camera's having a hard time picking this up. But as you see the stitching, hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. White footbed. Looks like there's some writing on the inside. I can't make that out, but just in case, there it is. Okay. Bottom of the shoe. So it kind of got that rare air feel to it, right? Nike pumping these threes out. All right. Let's take a look at the other side. So the other side, as you saw on the other one, is going to have the Jordan logo. All right. Pretty neat. And as you see, it's the red air bubble. And we have the blue. Red and blue. All right. Oh, look at that. Something else I just noticed. This one has a different... Please, somebody comment, let me know what that means. Beautiful shoe. It's the year of the threes. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. As always, if you love today's video or like today's video, comment, like, subscribe.